Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by identifying the exact lock style because the method depends on it. Look closely at zipper sliders, an integrated padlock housing, or a TSA dial. Note any reset holes or tiny screws. Once you find a brand name or a model imprint, make sure to photograph it. That helps if you need replacement pins later. You should also prepare a thin probe and a light. These let you feel mechanisms and see numbers clearly without forcing anything. With the lock under gentle tension, you proceed to find the combination by touch. Apply consistent, light pulling pressure on the shackle or zipper to keep internal tumblers engaged. Then, turn each dial slowly and listen and feel for subtle clicks or a tiny change in resistance. Those are the alignment points. Once a wheel gives feedback, hold it and move to the next. Make sure to note every position. Together, those numbers form the correct sequence. When the tumblers align, the lock will release. Open it, then immediately set your new code per the lock's reset method, often by holding a recessed button or rotating the shackle. Once done, test the new code several times to confirm. If you never felt any feedback, you can systematically try codes from 000 to 999 while keeping steady tension. This is slow but effective. If the mechanism jams or won't budge, stop and seek a locksmith to avoid breaking the suitcase.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.